A man in California who was diagnosed with coronavirus and then beat it is now giving back, donating his plasma to help those currently battling the virus. And he joins me live now. Jason Garcia is an aerospace engineer and recovered COVID-19 patient. Good morning to you. How wonderful does that feel to be described as a recovered patient, first of all?
Yeah, it feels great to be recovered. Awesome.
But what about giving back now? Walk us through the process of donating some plasma. What did the doctors tell you? What does it involve? And how many people may you be able to help?
It felt great to have the opportunity to donate, and the fact that my plasma can go up to 3 people and possibly potentially save 3 people's lives. So hearing that, especially after getting the diagnosis, you kind of have the dread and all the negative things associated with testing positive for a deadly disease, to turn around and turn it into a life-saving opportunity. It felt amazing, and it's really easy. This donating is pretty much like giving blood. You just sit in the chair a little longer. So just the fact that something so simple can help a lot of families and a lot of people that are suffering right now. It's a great feeling.
Well, here's one of the nurses who helped you out describing the process. I'll give you a chance to react. Listen.
We're able to extract plasma using a pheresis machine and then store that and then give it to another patient so that they receive the antibodies that'll help them fight this disease.
How does that make you feel, knowing others are going to be helped?
It's amazing. It feels great.
Now, I understand your wife is in the military, and she's somebody who's serving our country. You have a young child together. Service is obviously part of the family. And talk about her. She must have been worried about all you were going through. We can see your young family right there. And here she is, active duty military. She's got a husband who is sick. Thankfully, you've gotten better. You're not just helping other people. She's serving all of us.
Yeah, and she did an amazing job, too, when I was in isolation, taking care of me, leaving food at the door. So she's a trooper.
And how is she feeling now in terms of the relief? And obviously, your young daughter probably doesn't understand everything that you've just been through. But talk about how this has maybe made the family stronger.
Yeah, initially it was a shock. It surprised us. I mean, the chances at the time were just very low, and I wasn't traveling to any hot spots. So it was a shock to us. But I got over it quickly. It wasn't too bad. So I wasn't I had a shortness of breath for a short amount of time, but other than that, I wasn't in any medical distress. So the isolation was the hardest part, especially with my 11-month-old. She kind of wanted to crawl and come see Daddy, and they had to pull her away from the door. So that was the hardest part.
Yeah, well, hopefully she'll get a lot of time with Daddy and Mommy now in the days ahead. Jason Garcia, we're glad that you're back and healthy again. That's an inspiration for a lot of people who've been wondering about this. Sadly, we've lost so many others, but you're back and you're helping others, and that's really terrific. Thanks.